How to add payments method on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add payments method on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and click this three lines here, and now go down until you find here this one, settings and privacy. Click on it and click this one, and then click payments, and then click this one, Facebook Pay. And now all you need to do is just click here, add payments method, and select any method you want, and then just add it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.